بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Have you ever opened the Quran and wished you could read every word with understanding of meaning and beauty of correct pronunciation? Every journey begins with a single step, and in Quranic Arabic, that first step is the Arabic alphabet. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Arabic with Zuni. In this very first lesson, we learn the first 4 Arabic letters: Alif, Ba, Thaa, and Thaa, with their correct pronunciation, shape, and flow. Let's begin with the first letter, Alif. Alif is a straight vertical line standing tall. Its sound is A, as in Allah. Ali, apple, air. It doesn't have any dot, neither on bottom nor on top. The next letter is Ba. It starts from right to left, like a little curve on both sides and a dot in the bottom. Its sound is Ba. Join your lips and say Ba. Ba. Try to feel how your lips close gently, then release the sound. Ba. Ba sound like in bus, banana, book, and bird. In the Quran, you will find this letter in words like Bismillah. The third letter is Ta. Its shape is like Ba, but with the difference of dot. It has 2 dots on top, while Ba had just 1 in the bottom. Its sound is Ta. Ta. In the Quran, in words like Tawaban, Ta'lamuna. The fourth letter is Thaa. Its shape is also same like Ta and Ba, but it has 3 dots on top, while Ba had just 1 in the bottom and Ta had 2 on top. Its sound is very delicate and soft. Show your tongue between your teeth and say Thaa. Thaa. You will not say Sa. Don't make it hard. It's so soft. Thaa. Thaa. It appears in beautiful Quranic word Thawab, which means reward. Let's review what we learned today. Alif, Ba, Ta, Thaa. 4 letters, 4 steps closer to reading the words of Allah. In the next lesson, we'll continue with the next set of letters, Jim, Ha, and Kha. Remember, every time you pronounce these letters correctly, you are preparing your tongue for the recitation of the Quran. Subscribe and join me again in lesson number 2 of Arabic with Zuni. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.